Hello friends, hope so all of doing well, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can turn off notifications of your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So before you start video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon if you are first time on this channel. So if you want to turn off notification of a specific application or all apps in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, simply first of all just tap on settings and go to notification settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.